Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I got Boxycharm for the month of November, my birthday month, and I got variation 26 right here, and it's Boxycharm Harvest, which is nice for Thanksgiving. The first item I am super happy and excited about, this is Natasha Denona Peak Palette. This retails for $48, so I'm excited for this. Even though I got the mini gold palette and I got this one, so I'm excited. So in comparisons for the mini and the normal size pan, this is 25 and this is 48. Just giving you like the the difference of these palettes. So yeah, these are larger and full size when the other one is mini. But the mini one I love so much, and great formula, so I'm excited to try the Peak palette. And next is this Dr. Brandt $40 oxidant spray toner. So after you cleanse your face, you add this. You just spritz it on. So instead of the pads or the liquid, you use the spray. So I'm excited for that. And Dr. Brandt is a really great brand for $40. That's expensive for a 3.4 ounce. Pretty expensive for me. Then this is my picked item. This is the Milk Makeup Mascara. This is a Crush waterproof mascara. I recently got the mini of the regular mascara. This retails for $24. Excited for that. And it's like really hefty. It has these like ridges. I don't know if you can hear that. And then Half Baked Game Changer Lip Fondant Trio. And I think I'm gonna keep this one. This is Theme Song, Love Key, and Bordeaux. So these will probably be in the giveaway, and I'll probably keep this. This one's more my style. This mauvey pink. And last is this Alamar primer. This is a long-wear sticky pigment base, so I'm excited for that. And this retails for $15. So all of the products equals out to $159. So this is a $25 box, and for $159 price range, I think this is pretty good box. I will like use everything up except for these two, so I'm excited. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my videos channel. Bye for now. Sorry if I look disgusting. I have no makeup on. It's a cleaning day. It's Sunday. Yeah. Bye for now.